spacious compound. Hello, guys. Let's tour Ibadan, IITA, and a couple of other places. Guys, IIT has one of the most scenic, calm, and beautiful environments.
Even the air you breathe feels different from a particular state in Nigeria.
This recreational resort is a home away from home.
especially if you don't want to travel out of Nigeria. Trust me when I say you can take a vacation here and feel relaxed. Enough of my talking. Take a look at this beautiful and scenic environment.
So this producer hit me up on the DM. He told me, hey, I really like what you were doing. He told me, come round to the studio.
The total land area of IITA is about 1,000 hectares. Best way I can describe it is about 1,000 soccer fields, all in one place with breathtaking views. The lake at IITA is hands down my favorite spot in this entire facility. Well, aside from the fresh fruit and foods from the farm that I get to enjoy without cooking, it spans around 53 acres, but on my journey there, it felt like it would never end. In fact, I was about to ask the driver, wetin never reach there? Wetin dey happen? Abeg o, na me be first speaking o. This man-made lake is more than just water. In fact, I didn't think we could even have a man-made lake of this size. Well, there was no way I was going to leave this pretty haven without taking some bomb-ass pictures. So take one, take two, and take three. The accommodation at IITA consists of a daily breakfast buffet that includes fresh fruit and foods from the farm.
To be honest, wouldn't help me. I pushed it down, but it was living in me rent free. And then I fell into something that was.
Normally, you usually serve yourself. Maybe because people to take too much.
And because it is Ibadan. This place is Ibadan. That's why. All their they see them behave like Ibadan.
No,
Man,
just give them time.
why you go serve them? Why they go serve you?
So the UK now, if they serve yourself, the food don't go reach you.
Why food no go reach me? Eh?
But why they call it buffet? It's not buffet.
Because why is that buffet?
Yeah, open celebrate.
It's not. Why food no go reach me?
I'll tell you to do that. Yes, for sure. But it doesn't work like that anymore. You look the person.
As at the time of my trip, room prices was between 100 to 130,000 naira. However, I will advise to check their website for their updated prices. IITA is an award-winning research institute dedicated to improving lives through agriculture. It was established in 1967 with support from the Ford and Rockefeller Foundations. IITA works to enhance food security, provide employment, and protect Nigeria's natural resources. While it has branches across Africa, its headquarters are in Ibadan. Over the decade, it has become a peaceful destination to enjoy nature with efforts focused on sustainable agriculture and crop resilience for Africa. A number of activities can be performed at IITA, from cycling to forest walk to fishing to bicycle riding to golfing and a couple of others.
Yeah, please. My car. After all,
Mika.
Mika. Keep us putting salt. You need to like. Yeah. So this will be deep.
You see their faces now.
Let's go. Are you guys ready to shoot and kill? Yes, that's what I'm talking about, bro.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ooh.
we are armed.
Yeah.
We are ready. We are going to the battlefield.
Let me show you the armies of the Lord. That's good. Straight bullets. Head, what do you call it? Yes, that is what I'm talking about.
When I was fighting in town.
Ooh, Jojo, you said you're armed. You don't turn military. Yeah, you look good. You look good.
Annihilate the enemy.
Yeah.
Leave no survivors.
Yeah. Shoot
No
all on
survivors,
sight.
no evidence.
Shoot all on sight.
Shoot on sight.
Shoot on sight.
Let's
Everybody.
go. I'm following my commander.
Yeah.
Make landscape videos.
You're speaking English. I will do video.
What, Egbon? Where are you going? Where are you going? Don't you come in with us?
Please point your guns down.
Let's go, please.
No, don't.
Are you finding your hideouts? I
Can we stay here?
looks I say, I be captain for this team. Oh, captain say, they put for leg. They go shoot your leg. They go shoot your leg.
The plan is to leave no survivors. We go in, we take them out,
Yes.
and we go back home victors.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. 300 HDD, you all moving.
When I say
You have one stop, like 4 people will be in at
Boys.
Ready?
Don't talk in the battlefield.
I'm on our 20 bullets to get. Only 20 bullets. Go. Please, oh. Jojo, move forward. You guys move forward now. Move inside. Advance forward. So, what the fuck come here now? You go finish you know. Yeah, you want to win one like that. See how they hide. That's why they take the bullet. You guys should advance now. Advance, please. Hey, I was seeing you. Let me target you.
Move!
Advance. No, I beg you. I'm not in no side. Don't shoot me. Hey, I beg you.
Move! Nice one!
It's becoming bloody now. It's becoming bloody. Why you shouting? Go, advance now. Look.
I got a headshot.
I caught that, Jojo. I caught that. Don't worry, I got that.
More than 3 meters shooting. More than 3 meters shooting.
Oh! Let's go.
More than 3 meters.
No, I've shot you already. I've shot you 3 times. I've shot you 3 times. Hold on. Wait.
Success is okay. Don't waste your bullets. You're shooting aimlessly.
Oh, you've been here before?